and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video I have got a really requested eyeshadow look. It is my cheerleading competition glam. I do it every single cheer comp. I did every single cheer comp last season and I got so many compliments on it. It's just a simple brown smoky eye bronzy eyeshadow look. I love it. It's really effective and I thought I'd share it with you as everyone always compliments me on it. So without further ado, let's put some makeup on my face. Okie dokie. Looking grim with my penguin dressing gown on, but we're going to do a smoky glam, which I'm pretty sure I've probably done before, but I'm not in the colour mood today. Just want to do a brown smoky eye, so that's what we're doing. Going to use my Sophie X Kaylee Urban Bible palette and I'm going to go into the shade Prophecy, which is this one up in the top corner. Just going to take this flat brush and then pop that all on the lid. And I'm just going to tail it out. Just taking this little tiny pencil brush and getting right in that inner corner. Next, going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this shade here up here. This shade here up here and just go around the edges. Back in with the brush that we did the first shade with. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just buff out the edges a bit. Now just taking a flat brush, I'm going to go into the shade Oath and just pop that on the outer corner. Just darken it up a little bit. And then cleaning up with a makeup wipe. Okie dokie, so now that's all blended in and all nice sharp line. I'm going to do a cut crease on the lid, just taking a little brush and the Pete Louise base. Okie dokie, so now that crease is all cut, I'm now going to pop the shade 1996 on it, just using another little brush. Pack that shade on. And then on the edges, I'm just going to go back in with the flat brush and the shade Oath. Just pack that on the edges. Okie dokie, so that's what the eye is looking like so far. I'm now going to add an eyeliner. I'm going to use a mixture because all mine are like dying. So I'm going to use the Collection Extreme 24 Hour Eyeliner and the Rimmel Exaggerated Eyeliner. And just do a little winged eyeliner and I will be back to finish off the eye look. Okie dokie, I am back and I've got the majority of my face done. It's just time to finish off the eyes. So going back into the Kaylee palette, which I love, I'm going to go into the shade Saviour and just pop that on the lower lash line. Just taking a little brush, working that underneath. Just taking an even smaller brush, I'm going to go into the darker shade of Prophecy and pop that on the out corner of the lower lash line. Next I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and for this I'm going to use my favourite highlighter just because it gives the most pop, which is the Off-White Glazed Donut by Nikki Tutorials, and take that underneath brow. And then using a little fluffy brush, just blend in those edges so it blends in seamlessly. Lovely, I'm now just going to pop off camera and finish off my face and do something with this mess of hair, and I will be back with the finished look. I am back and I've just popped on some mascara and some lip gloss. The lip gloss is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow, which is my current all-time favourite lip gloss at the moment. If you don't have it, go get it. You can get it from Boots. I love it. In terms of the makeup, this is my Smoky Go-To Bronzy Glam. Super simple, super effective, and I wear it every single cheer comp. I get so many compliments on it, hence why I wanted to film a video on it. Obviously, normally I'm in cheer kit, got fake tan on, hair's in a ponytail, but the eye makeup is the same. I did it all three competitions last comp. The last one I forgot to put eyeliner on, but I did eyeliner today. But yeah, this is my go-to brown smoky eye. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Normally if I'm going to a cheer comp, I've got red lipstick on. I use the L'Oreal Blake Lively, the red. That's my favourite, go to, love it. Barry M red lip liner as well. But yeah, I'm not doing a cheer comp today, I'm just going into town, so I've not got red lipstick on. But yeah, that would be my finishing touch to a cheer comp look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie and have a lovely day. Right, Tom's waiting for me. I'm late as always. Bye.